In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in Google Slides app without showing notes. If you've ever worried about your speaker notes popping up where your audience can see them, this quick process keeps your slides clean and distraction-free. Whether you're on a phone or a tablet, start by launching the Google Slides app on your device. Give it a moment to load your files, especially if you haven't opened the app recently. A stable internet connection helps the thumbnails appear quickly, but if your deck is already synced, you're good to go offline as well. Next, open the presentation you plan to show. Take a second to verify it's the right version and that any last-minute edits have synced. You can also glance at the first and last slides so you know exactly where you'll begin and end once you're in full screen mode. When you're ready, look toward the top of the screen for the play or present icon. It looks like a small triangle inside a rectangle. Tap that icon to begin setting up your presentation view. This is the control that tells Google Slides you want to present, not edit. A small menu appears. Choose Present on this device. This option starts a presentation right on your phone or tablet and keeps anything extra, like speaker notes, hidden from the audience. Avoid other options that broadcast to a meeting or external display if your goal is to ensure notes stay private. Your slides will immediately switch into a clean, full-screen landscape view. From here, simply swipe left to move forward and swipe right to go back. The interface fades away so all anyone sees are your visuals. If you need to pause for a moment, tap once to bring back the on-screen controls, then tap again to return to a minimalist view. Your notes remain completely out of sight the entire time. A couple of quick tips to make the experience smoother. Increase your screen brightness so images and text are easy to read in brighter rooms, and silence notifications beforehand so pop-ups don't distract you mid-talk. Holding the device in landscape keeps proportions consistent with how most slides are designed. That's all there is to it. Open Google Slides, open your deck, tap the present icon, choose Present on this device, and confidently swipe through a distraction-free presentation without ever exposing your speaker notes.